Good morning, kindergarten. This is Mrs. Cancer. I hope you're well today. I hope you're rested, and I hope you're ready for some math. As usual, you will need a pencil, a piece of paper, and at least 7 pennies to use as counters. Let's get ready for some math. Yesterday, we took apart 6. Today, we'll be taking apart 7 and using objects or counters, drawings, and a number bond to make a subtraction sentence. Kindergarten, what do we call this diagram here? Oh, yeah, that's right. It's called a number bond. A number bond is a tool that we use to help us to add or subtract. Today we'll be using our number bond to do some subtracting work. A number bond has 3 areas. One is the whole, which is right at top, the big circle, and the other 2 areas are called the what? You got it. They're called the parts. The parts travel into the whole. Hey, kindergarten, what's that big red horizontal line called? That's right. That's a subtraction symbol. Remember, when you subtract, you take away one part from the whole. Kindergarten, remember, we're taking apart 7 today. So the number that's in our number bond in the area called the whole is the number. That's right, 7. We can take 7 apart using 2 numbers. One of those numbers is the number 6. The other number is the number 1. When 6 and 1 travel into the whole, that makes 7. But that's adding. We don't want to add today. We said we wanted to do what? Kiss your brain. We want to subtract today. This X means we're taking away 1 from 7. 7 take away 1. Imagine this, kindergarten. If I had 7 counters and I took away 1, how many would be left, I wonder? Kindergarten, did you know that we can show what we've worked on in the number bond in a drawing? Let's see if we can put 7 take away 1 into a drawing. Now, to start our drawing, how many circles do you think we need to draw? That's right. We need 7 circles all together because that's what's in our whole. Now, notice how I organize my drawing. I use what's called a 5 group. 5 on the top, the rest on the bottom. 5 circles up top plus 2 on the bottom make 7 circles all together. So I have my 7 circles in a 5 group. Now I want to pay attention to my cross-out number. I crossed out the number 1 in my parts. So in my drawing, I need to cross out how many circles? That's right. I need to cross out one circle. Now, there's another number in my number bond. It's the number 6. What do you suppose the number 6 represents? Let's take a look at the drawing. We made 7 circles. We have one cross out. Where's that 6 coming from? Oh, yeah. 6 represents how many circles are left after I crossed out 1. Let's count to see how many circles are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's what that number represents. 6 is the part of the number bond that's left after we crossed out the 1. Let's read our number bond. 7 take away 1 equals 6. Can you say that with me, kindergarten? Let's say that together. Ready? 7 take away 1 equals 6. Good job. Now, after we've made our number bond, we've drawn our picture to match our number bond, now we're ready to write an equation or a number sentence. Let's write a number sentence. Kindergarten, to make a subtraction sentence, we need to make sure we show the whole, show the cross-off number, and then show how many are left. So when we show the whole, we know that in our number bond, we had how many circles all together? That's right, 7 circles. So that our equation makes sense, we need a symbol. That symbol is called you guessed it again, kindergarten, it's called a subtraction symbol or a minus symbol. So to put our sentence all together, we start with a whole, we need our subtraction symbol, and then we need the rest of our parts. 7 take away, our takeaway number was the number 1. We took 1 circle away. 7 take away 1 equals, how many did we have left? Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 equals 6. 7 take away 1 circle equals 6 that are left. Boy, oh boy, this subtraction is hard work. But kindergarten, you are doing a fabulous job. Let's try another. Kindergarten, there are a lot of different ways to take apart 7. Here's another way. Take a look at the number bond. Our whole is, that's right, 7. It's the big number. Our parts are 2 and 5. But uh-oh, we have a takeaway number. That takeaway number is, you got it, 2. So that means we're taking 2 circles away from 7. All we have to do is figure out how many are left. Let's figure out what that looks like in a drawing. Are you ready? I bet you are. Kindergarten, now we're ready to use our number bond to construct our drawing or to make our drawing. The first thing we want to do is use the hole in our number bond to decide how many circles we need to have in our drawing all together. How many? You got it, 7. So we're going to draw 7 circles in a 5 group. Remember, a 5 group has how many at the top? You got it, kindergarten. 5 at the top and 2 more at the bottom to make 7. Let's count to make sure we have 7 circles. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Awesome. So we have our whole 7 circles. Now we're going to take a look at our parts. Uh-oh. We've got a cross out number. That means we're taking away something in our picture. How many are we taking away? You guessed it. Kiss your brain. We're taking away 2. Let's cross off 2 circles. 1, 2. Now we've figured out that we've needed 7 circles altogether. We've crossed out 2. Here's another part. 5. What does that 5 represent? What did you say, kindergarten? How many are left? Are you sure 5 circles are left? Well, let me see. Let me go back and count. You can count along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You are right. Wow. You're really great mathematicians, kindergarten. There are 5 circles left. Let's read our number bond. Are you ready? 7. Take away 2. Leaves 5. Let's write an equation next that matches our number bond and our drawing. You think we can do it? I think we can too. Okay, kindergarten. We've completed our number bond. We've done our drawing. Now we want to make a subtraction sentence. Remember, our subtraction sentence should match our number bond and our drawing. When we make our subtraction sentence, we want to show the whole, which is the number, you guessed it, 7. After we show the whole, we want to show the cross-off number. So we make sure we have our subtraction or our minus symbol, and then we're going to show our cross-off number. Our cross-off number is the number, you got it, 2, because we crossed off 2 circles. After we show our cross-off number, we want to show how many are left. So we put our equal sign, take a look at our drawing, count how many circles are left after we crossed off our 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, take away 2 equals 5. We have our equation. We started with the whole. We identified our part, which was our takeaway number, and then we found the part that was left, 5 circles. Now you're ready to try this by yourself. Are you ready for that? I bet you are. So this is your opportunity to grab your pencil, your paper, and at least 7 pennies so that we can do the next problem. Okay, kindergarten, here's your opportunity to practice what we've been working on today. Hopefully you have your piece of paper, your pencil, and 7 counters to use to draw your story. You ready? Take a look at our number bond. What's the whole, kindergarten? You got it, 7. What are the parts of 7? Uh-oh, there's 3, but it has a cross-off mark. That means we're doing what, kindergarten? You've got it. We're taking away 3 from 7. Kiss your brain. Here's another number in our number bond. That number is a 4. What do you think that 4 represents? If you're not sure, you can use your counters. Go ahead and take out your counters and set them up the 5 group way. Remember, if you're setting them up the 5 group way, you're going to have 5 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Thumbs up if you've got it. Nice job. Let's count to make sure we have our 7 organized counters. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, our number bond says we took how many counters away? 3. Go ahead and take 3 counters away. 1, 2, 3. And move them off to the side. What do your counters show? Don't say anything. Go ahead and pause the video and show your pennies or your counters in a drawing. Kindergarten, let's take a look at our drawings. Maybe your drawing looks similar to mine. Thumbs up if your drawing is similar to mine. Good work. So we know that our whole is 7. You got it. So that means we need how many circles? 7 circles, but not just 7 circles all over our page. It needs to be organized. It should be in a, you got it, a 5 group. 5 on top, 2 more at the bottom, make 7. So we have our whole 7 circles. Now we're going to take a look at our crossout number. Our crossout number happened to be the number 3. That means in our drawing, we need to show 3 circles crossed out. 1, 2, 3. After we show our 3 circles crossed out, we have one more part left. That part shows how many circles we have left. When we crossed out 3 circles, how many circles did we have left that were not crossed out, kindergarten? Say it again. Say it louder. What? What? Oh, 4. Let's count to be sure. 1, 2, 3, 4. It does match, kindergarten. 7, take away 3, leaves 4 circles. Are you ready to write an equation? I bet you can do this. Kindergarten, now that we've completed our number bond and our drawing, now we want to write an equation. Remember, our equation should match our number bond. In other words, the numbers should be the same. Whatever numbers you used in your number bond should be the same numbers that you use in your equation. Remember, when you're writing a number sentence or a subtraction sentence, you want to first show the whole. Next, you want to make sure that you include your subtraction symbol so that everybody knows that this is a subtraction word problem. After you write your subtraction symbol, next you want to show your part, your crossout number part. After you show your crossout number, you want to make sure that you use an equal sign. Remember, the equal sign is going to go between your 2 parts. After you write your equal sign, the only thing left is to write how many circles were left in the equation. So you want to show how many are left and put it at the end of your number sentence or equation. Whole, take away, part equals part. Take this opportunity to pause the video and write your equation. Kindergarten, give a thumbs up if your equation looks similar to mine. Good job. Did you start with the whole? Perfect. Our whole was 7. 7, take away. How many circles did we take away? We took away 3 circles. Good work. 7, take away 3 equals how many circles were left when we took away 3, kindergarten? That's right, 4. We can see this in our drawing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat the equation with me, kindergarten. 7 take away 3 equals 4. Kindergarten, you did great work today. We worked for a very long time. Wow, we kiss your brain. I can't wait to do more of this work with you next week. Have a great Easter holiday, and I will talk to you soon about numbers. Have a great weekend.